Currently you're watching video E5.p1-8, which is the reasons for the seasons, pre-test and post-test. So this video is actually going to cover both, and the reason why is they're the same explanation. Just one is done prior to the reasons for the seasons, and then the other one's done at the end once you've done the reasons for the seasons. Okay, so keeping that in mind, here's what you're going to do. If you are doing the pre-test, simply stay here. If you're doing the post-test, I want you to scroll ahead, and you are looking for this screen, which will say reasons for the seasons post-test. So if you want, go ahead and hit fast forward if you're watching post-test, and if you're doing this for the pre-test, stay right here. Okay, so is reasons for the seasons pre-test, and on our website, when you go down to the bottom left corner where it says E5.p1 unit website and you click on it, it'll take you to this site, and you can look at reasons for the season pre-test, which is digital, by clicking here, or you can scroll down to reasons for the seasons pre-test and click where it says click here. When you do that, you'll be given this, which is going to ask you to examine the diagram below showing the Earth revolving around the Sun. Again, rotation is when you're on your axis, revolution is when you are spinning around another object. Okay, to demonstrate the student's understanding of the seasons. So what you're seeing is somebody's diagram right here that was drawn on a test showing the reason for the seasons. So they showed where the sun would be located. They showed how Earth would revolve around the sun. They would show the tilt of the actual Earth and which season the Earth is in depending on its location when it's revolving around the sun. Along with the diagram, the same student was asked to explain the diagram and the reasons for the seasons. So you're asked not only to look at the diagram, you're also asked to read the explanation. And then when you are done with both, then you are asked two questions. The first of which is addressing what do you think is right or wrong with the student's diagram about the season, and then the second is what do you think is correct or incorrect about the student's explanation regarding the seasons. So you've got two questions to answer once you've done your evaluation, and when you're done with your evaluation, you will give this to myself or give it to Mr. Fusak. If you have any questions, let us know. If you're watching this now for the post-test, again, you're watching the same video. So again, if you're watching this for the post-test, you're watching video E5.p1-8, which again is right down here, reasons for the seasons post-test. On our website, you'll notice down here in the bottom left corner, the E5.p1 unit website. When you click on it, you'll be taken to our website, and digitally, you can click on the reasons for the seasons post-test. Or if you already have the post-test, the hard copy, and you don't need another copy of it, then you'll have the reasons for the seasons post-test down here, or what yours will look like is this. What you'll do, just like you did with the pre-test, is you'll examine the student's diagram, the location of the sun, the way that the Earth revolves around the sun, the tilt of the Earth, and along with that, the seasons which are labeled in the locations in which Earth is placed on the diagram. Along with evaluating the diagram, you're asked to read the explanation that this student provided for their diagram. Once you have done your evaluation of both of those, you're asked two questions. The first of which is, what do you think is right or wrong with the student's diagram about the seasons above? And then, what do you think is correct or incorrect regarding the student's explanation of the seasons? So again, two questions just like the pre-test. And when you're done with the post-test, you'll give it to myself or give it to Mr. Fusak. Should you have any questions, simply let us know.